Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the phone number from your Discord account. It is in fact very simple to do. All you have to do is just to have the Discord app ready and be logged in, of course. So if you just open up the Discord, you can see at the bottom you have the main section for like your servers, friends requests, search, notifications, as well as personal profile section. So go to the profile and here just click on account. So when you click on account like this, you will get to this section. You can see your username, display name, email, and phone number. So for me, the phone number is the one I want to remove. So I'm just going to click on that, the phone number right here, and all I have to do is basically add a new phone number. When you click on this, you have to update it. So it will at first give you the option to add like a new one. You can see this is the current one shown on the screen, but I can possibly add a new one if I really wanted to. But besides that, I have another option, which is to remove phone number. So if I click on the red button, I have to verify myself with the password, which I'm going to type in very quickly in here. You cannot see it on the screen, but once I'm done, I'm going to hit done. Now it has been verified and the phone number has gone missing. So I cannot possibly see it now on my screen right now. So just click on phone. I can only add a new one. So this is what I wanted to achieve. And this is basically all that there is to know about it. Besides that, there is the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join for free. It is going to be linked down below in the description. And there you can watch courses on, for example, video editing, in-depth iPhone guides. I just finished the Dynamic Island full course. You can watch it for free. There's also a community, other people learning already as well. So go ahead and join it right now and I'll wait for you inside. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you guys later in the future.